Background apps draining battery? Here's the quick fix. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Now scroll down and tap About Phone. Next, tap Software Information. Here, find Build Number. After that, tap Build Number 7 times. Enter your PIN or pattern if asked. You'll see a message, Developer Mode enabled. Next, go back to the Settings page. Scroll down and click on Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, tap Running Services. You will now see all apps are running in the background, how much memory, RAM they are using. Tap on any app you don't need running. Example, wallet apps, unused services. Tap Stop. And then tap OK to confirm. Go back to Developer Options. Scroll down to the Apps section. Tap Background Process Limit. You can choose No Background Processes. Best for maximum speed. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.